Australia has cancelled its second order of F-35s. What does this mean for Australia? What will they be replaced with? How big was the order? Let's find out today on Global Military News. As of 2023, Australia has a fleet of 72 F-35As and was planned to acquire another 28 to make a full fleet of 100 F-35As, which was cancelled on the 16th of August 2023. With the cancellation of this order, there is two options for Australia. 1. Australia has a small fleet of jets until 6th Gen comes available. Or 2. Australia increases the production of the Ghostbat. Back in 2019, Australia started the Loyal Wingman program, or more well known as the Ghostbat, an unmanned aircraft that flies alongside manned aircraft and can be used for different roles like intelligence gathering, stealth operations, and aerial support.